How to access the data folder in Android 14. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started with the process. For that, you will be needing an application. Head over to your Play Store, search for Z Archiver. This is the application that you should download, so once you have installed it, open it. Give permissions. Toggle this button that says Allow Permissions in order to access your files. Once done, come back. And once you refresh your page after giving access, you can see all the folders here. You can also go ahead and choose any one and then simply view what's inside. And likewise, this is how you can do the same as well. So guys, that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If that helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.